In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your surveys effectively using Surveymonkey. Surveymonkey is a popular tool for creating, distributing, and analyzing surveys. And today, we'll focus on navigating some of its essential features. We'll dive into organizing your surveys, designing them, and even deleting unnecessary pages, helping you streamline your survey process for better efficiency. Let's get started by heading to the Surveymonkey homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL to log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard displaying your ongoing survey projects. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this view, as it's your central hub for managing all your survey endeavors. Next, locate the survey you're currently working on. With various projects likely filling your dashboard, you might find it useful to use the search bar or filter options to quickly pinpoint the survey you need. Click on the survey title to open it. This will take you to the main interface where all survey details can be accessed and edited. Now cast your eye over to the top of the page where you'll find various tabs. We are looking for the Design Survey tab. Click on this tab to access the survey design mode. This is where the magic happens. You can customize questions, tweak the layout, and adjust settings according to your goals. Scroll through your survey pages until you reach the one you want to focus on today. Whether you're managing a lengthy questionnaire or just want to revise a few specific pages, having a clear navigation is key. Pay attention as you move through, noticing how each page is laid out, and considering any edits you might want to make. Should you decide there's a page that needs to be removed, Surveymonkey makes this straightforward. Navigate to the specific page you'd like to delete. Notice the options available, typically on or around the page header or footer. Look for a button or drop-down named More Actions. That's where you'll find additional options. Hover over or click More Actions to reveal a selection of choices. Among them, you'll find Delete Page. Go ahead and click on it. You'll likely be prompted to confirm this decision, which is a good safeguard against accidental deletions. And there you have it. Just like that, you can easily manage the composition of your surveys in Surveymonkey. Whether you're refining an existing survey or cleaning up unnecessary pages, you've now got the know-how to do it efficiently. This capacity to make precise edits ensures your surveys remain relevant and focused, delivering the best possible insights from your respondents. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips on optimizing your survey processes.